Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your aim settings in Apex Legends. If you prefer switching between toggle aim and hold to aim for better control while playing, we will guide you through how to adjust these settings in the game. In your game, go ahead and press Escape. You will be taken to this screen. From here, go ahead and click Settings. Once you click Settings, you will be taken to the Settings menu. Now head over to Mouse and Keyboard. Once you are there, we need to scroll down to the bottom. You will see the option that says Aim Down Sight Hold and Aim Down Sight Toggle. Go ahead and click on it, then left-click so that you can switch to toggle aim in Apex Legends. Once that is done, go ahead and press Escape to return to your game. You have now successfully changed the aim toggle setting in Apex Legends. Now you can play with the aiming style that feels most comfortable for you.